Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw your stellar cryptocurrency from Kraken to your Arculus wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your assets securely and efficiently, you're in the right place. This step-by-step guide is designed to be simple, straightforward, and safe, so let's dive right in. First off, before we start, make sure your Kraken account is fully verified and that you have your Arculus Wallet app set up on your device. Double-check that your wallet is ready to receive Stellar. It's all about preparation to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account using your email, password, and two-factor authentication for extra security. Once you're in, head to the Wallets or Funding section. It's usually in the main menu. Step 2. Locate Stellar in your list of assets. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the withdrawal page. Here, you'll see options for sending your crypto out. Step 3. Enter your Arculus wallet address. This is crucial. Copy it directly from your Arculus app, as Stellar addresses start with a G and must be exact to prevent any errors or lost funds. Step 4. Specify the amount you want to withdraw. Keep an eye on Kraken's minimum withdrawal limits and any associated fees, which can vary based on network conditions in 2025. Step 5. Review everything on the confirmation screen. Double-check the address, amount, and ensure it's set to the Stellar network. Mistakes here could be costly. Step 6. Hit confirm and complete any additional security steps, like 2FA. Once submitted, the transaction will be processed on the blockchain. After that, switch over to your Arculus wallet and monitor the incoming transaction. It might take a few minutes to a few hours, depending on network congestion. A quick tip: always prioritize security in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. Use strong passwords, enable all security features, and never rush the process. That's it for this guide. You've now successfully withdrawn your Stellar. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and crypto savvy.